Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First we need to go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot we need to press the power button and volume down button together. If you press them, you will see this right here on the screen. That means you took the screenshot. And you can tap on this window to open the screenshot, or rather open the editing mode for it. Here we can crop the image, we can draw on it, we can add some things like arrows and stuff like that. We can also add text. Select the color, and we can also blur pictures like that. And once you're done editing your picture, you can tap the check mark right here to save it. You can share it or delete it. I'm gonna tap the check mark to save our screenshot. You can also take a scroll screenshot. To do it, press the power button and volume down button. You have this option called expanded screenshot. Tap on it, and your phone will start scrolling through the screen, or rather through the page, and it won't stop until it reaches the bottom of the page, or you tap on the screen to stop it. And as you can see, it took quite a long screenshot, because normally a whole Google page doesn't fit on the screen, and you want to use this option if you want to take like a screenshot of something that doesn't fit on the screen, and you need to scroll down like that. And once you're done, you can tap the check mark to confirm, or delete the photo. Okay, there's also another way to take a screenshot. To do it, open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, tap on the buttons and gestures option. Here, tap on quick gestures. And now make sure that the 3-finger screenshot option is enabled. As you can see, for me it is, but you can enable it by tapping the switch next to it. And once you enable this option, you can take a screenshot by swiping on the screen with 3 fingers, like this. Like that. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.